like to show you how to make vegetable fried rice. Let's chop the tofu. I tried to cut small pieces. I bought this shake and bake because so easy to cook. Just put tofu with these breadcrumbs and shake it and bake it. Let's keep chopping all the veggies. I will use coconut oils. Put green onion with oils, it tastes really good, and then put all the veggies. Put 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and put rice. A 1/3 teaspoon of salt. Half tablespoon of maple syrup and garlic. Once all the veggies are done, turn off the stove and put a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. The tofu looks nice brown color and so crispy. I will put on the fried rice. And thanks for watching my channel.